making some fried oyster mushrooms. And of course, this is my oysters for tonight. So, oyster mushrooms, and it's come, together. I squeeze out all the water out of it with a paper towel. And then you make your little, your dry, what you're gonna dip it in to fry it up. My batter here, ready, chickpea flour. And chickpea flour in here with some masa and masa flour, and I put some seasoning in here. Of course, my seasoning is onion, obe, garlic powder, and Himalayan salt. This right here, I think I can put this on after. I ain't know yet, but of course, this is make it taste nice and like the water, like it comes with water. And the oil getting hot here. Olive oil, because I do not have, and I don't usually cook with olive oil. I just drizzle and add olive oil for flavor. But this time, I gonna do the olive oil, fry it in that with some coconut oil, because I ain't got my avocado oil. However, all right, my ingredients. So tired. I'm struggling. All right, one more time. This is it right here. Plate almost done, but I had to come tell y'all, look. Now I'm biting into it. Look how I look. Look how I look. See, look, look.